जान से, जज्बा ये रुक ना पाए किसी भी तूफान से, हम है शाहीन ऐसे उड़ते हैं शान से।
In my humble opinion, Pakistan's creation is the single most unique creation in world history. In the world history of nation states, no nation state was created the way Pakistan was created. But look at the short time frame. He announces it on 3rd of June and 10 weeks later, Pakistan is supposed to come into being. And all the infrastructure, the roads, the hospitals, the banks, the offices, they were all in New Delhi, Bombay, Madras. So we didn't have infrastructure. Indian politicians of that time said, Pakistan won't last more than 6 months. Then they tried their best at turning off the water. For about 4 weeks, they tried to starve us of water at that time. They denied us our fair share of weapons, of currency, of supplies, to the extent that their own leader, Mahatma Gandhi, went on a hunger strike in January 1948 and said to his government, he said, you should be ashamed, you must send the share that we owe Pakistan. Send it to them. An extremist from the BJP type organization, at that time BJP didn't exist, it was called RSS, which is the nursery from which BJP springs. He assassinated Mahatma Gandhi. Within 8 to 10 years, our economy grew at 8% per year, 10% per year. The Indians were हैरान हो गए कि what has happened? How has Pakistan managed to start exporting to South Korea? How has it managed to create its own system? South Korea and Malaysia and Indonesia and the Philippines were sending delegations to Karachi, which was the capital at that time, to learn from Pakistan how to become a dynamic economy. Find out what made Mr. Jinnah tick. What kind of a character was he? Man who never cried in his life. He was so brilliant at maneuvering and negotiating with the British and the Congress that he outwitted them. And he could not budge. So they had to concede. They had to concede the creation of Pakistan. Try not to use the word partition. ये partition के लफ्ज को आप बैन कर दो. Because ये इंडिया का लफ्ज है इजाद किया हुआ. Because they equate independence with partition. South Asia was a region and 2 new independent states came up in mid-August. India had never been an independent state in the form that it exists today. We need to always be vigilant on this, and if they make any claims about the Indus Valley civilization, we can forcefully rebut it and proudly say that not just Indus Valley, we go back to Mehergarh. So there's so much to be proud of being Pakistani. एक काम में हम बहुत ही तसलसल के साथ सच्चाई के हक में हमने आवाज उठाई है दुनिया भर में, और वही बात चुभती है इंडियंस को कि कभी भी हमने कश्मीरियों का हक राय रा दिया. Their right to self-determination, we just have not given it up, that cause. We have confidence. Whatever the threats from terrorism, from India, from Afghanistan, this country's stability is secured by our valiant armed forces. The ratio of officers of Pakistan's armed forces who also sacrifice their lives along with their soldiers is amongst the highest in the world. Because in the other armies, the officers themselves don't go to the front to face the bullets. One character like this has gone off to New York. He created this cursor and he's entered into an agreement. Elon Musk wants to buy it. And you know what he's paying him? $54 billion. And he's from a middle-class family of Karachi. Gulshan Iqbal. Generosity of Pakistanis is possibly unrivaled in the world. And you know, one survey showed that while rich Pakistanis give more money than obviously poor Pakistanis, it is the poor Pakistanis who give more frequently than rich Pakistan. जैसे ज़हीन लोग हैं. If you take a sophisticated Mercedes-Benz to an illiterate mechanic in Shersha Colony, Karachi, he will find what is wrong with that Mercedes-Benz and fix it for you in 2 or 3 hours. Because there's intelligence. We should not mix up intelligence with literacy. Person can be illiterate, but a person can be very intelligent. And that is the remarkable attribute of Pakistanis. Pakistaniyat has different elements. We can be proud of the positive elements. It is our duty to work on the negative elements. We should tolerate and we should respect each other and build a better Pakistan. And the duty lies with each of us. Each of us. Whatever we are doing, it is every single Pakistani has a duty to build Pakistaniyat and to reduce the negativism and build a better Pakistan.